As you guys can see right here, Pokemon Quest has successfully started on the DamonSwitch Emulator. Yo, what's up guys, this is Atrix here. Today in this video, I'll be reviewing the DamonSwitch Emulator's official release, which has been now made public on Play Store. So this is the official DamonSwitch Emulator, and the funniest part is that I thought they will at least make an effort to change their logo from the Yuzu branding to their own DamonSwitch branding, but no, they didn't even do that. It's just crazy to think that they are not even willing to make their own logo for their own emulator. Instead, they are literally taking logo from Yuzu emulator. Like, what the actual heck is this? Anyways, if we just go to the what's new section on this Play Store page, it will say DamonSwitch Emulator is officially launched. This will be the most accessible Switch emulator in the world. So let's test out their claims today and see if this emulator is really working or not. Now, previously on my second channel, which is Bifrost, I have already made a video on setting up this emulator. You can check that out if you haven't already tried this emulator before. But as you might know, previously there was an issue with the DamonSwitch Emulator where your Nintendo Switch games were not being shown. It was just saying no ROMs detected. So I guess that problem has been fixed now. Let me show you guys the basic UI of this emulator first. Let's go to settings, and here we go. The first thing you'll see is just advanced features, which is priced at 45 INR, probably 70 rupees or 45 rupees, which is really cheap, about $1 for professional edition. But as you know, I do believe that this emulator has definitely used stolen source code from other Nintendo Switch emulators like Skyline and Yuzu. I wouldn't be willing to pay even $1 for this emulator, but I'll be doing that just in the name of testing this emulator and reviewing it for you guys. Let me go to settings and let's check out few of the settings which have been provided. Frame rate cap 1000x, what the heck. Anyways, multi-core CPU emulation enable, dock model enable, okay. Other than that, let's go to CPU accuracies, auto fast memory is enabled. GPU disk pipeline cache, you can enable it, I guess. So let's enable. Synchronous GPU emulation is enabled, and these few features are locked, which you can only unlock after paying. So anyways, accuracy, okay, lock. Anyways, so let me show you guys that there are on-screen touch controls. You don't need to actually pay for the touch controls, but this emulator is going to be filled with ads. So whenever you try emulating a game, you'll get tons of ad, and DamonSwitch will be making profit from that. So let's just go ahead and try out Pokemon Sword. And as you can see, when we click, it says coin is not enough, start up the game, will consume coins 1. So literally you'll have to watch lot of ads for even the game to start. I do believe the DamonSwitch servers are still not working properly, because as you can see, when you open the app for the first time, it will say requesting ad, but there will be no ad. And due to that, I believe that DamonSwitch Emulator is not ready yet. Not everyone will be able to try it out. But anyways, let's just go ahead and click on Pokemon Sword. Again, let's click on Professional Edition, and it will say choose payment. So afterwards we'll get a server error message. The emulator server are not working as of now, but I'll still try to purchase Professional Edition, and let's see how well does that work out. So as you can see right here, 70 INR, I'll verify my purchase, and let's see if the payment goes through, if the emulator unlocks all of its feature. Again, I am only paying it because I want to test out this emulator. For you guys, you shouldn't purchase anything from them. Payment is successful. Let's click on not now. So it has finally updated. Let me just go ahead and log in, and as you guys can see right here, login successful. Permanent upgrade to professional version has been done. Congratulations on unlocking. Professional edition has been tick marked. So I'll just go ahead and go back, and let's go to home screen. We'll need to select the folder where we have stored our Nintendo Switch games. Afterwards, we'll click on allow. So finally, let's see if DamonSwitch Emulator actually works. I have purchased their pro subscription, as you can see at the top. So let's try playing Pokemon Sword. It's loading, and hopefully it doesn't crashes, or else it's freaking waste of money. But anyways, okay, it has actually started, guys. Let me go ahead and take a screenshot. Let's see if this game actually works. If it does, then it's a good. So there is an error message. Panic, graphics pipeline create failed, and the emulator crashed. Okay, let me just go to this pipeline cache. Let's enable this. Accuracy is normal. Anisotropic filtering is automatic. Let's go to controls. And yeah, that's about it. Let's go back. Let's try opening Pokemon Sword again. Afterwards, if it doesn't work, we'll test out some low-end games like Pokemon Tournament DX, and hopefully that works well. I don't have any idea on the compatibility of DamonSwitch Emulator for now. Again, we get an graphic pipeline created fail. Okay, so I have actually seen DamonSwitch Emulator's gameplay where a guy was able to play Super Mario Odyssey. I'll show you guys that gameplay later, but let's just go ahead and test out Pokemon Tournament. Okay, so the game actually started, guys. As you can see at the top left corner, we have an FPS bar which looks very similar to that of Egg NS. Same goes with the compiling shader part. It looks very similar to that of Egg NS. But here we go, guys. The game is actually looking pretty well. Pokken Tournament DX. Let's tap again. I can't believe, guys. I think our money may be worth it. Let me test out the game first. We are getting 60 FPS. Okay. So there is a name typing system as well. Let me just go ahead and type Aptrix. Let's click on OK. Error JIT error. Oh shit. Did the emulator crash, guys? I can see the FPS going up and down, but I can't see anything else on the screen. So I guess we'll try a different game. Now let's try Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu for all of you guys. Let's see if it actually works or not. And be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on all notification because I'll be uploading DamonSwitch Emulator gameplay test. So don't forget that. And Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, I can't really choose the controller, so this game doesn't work too. Let's try Pokemon Quest. Hopefully at least this works, bro. This game is also available for Android. We have fallen down so much, guys. Seriously. We went from testing out Pokemon Scarlet to Pokemon Cafe Mix and Pokemon Quest, which is pretty disappointing. And yeah, it actually started, bro. Whoa, I am so excited. Ha 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 ha. No, bro, I ain't excited. This is trash. This is trash, bro. Alright, the game actually started. I didn't expect this. So analog stick is also working. Let's just go ahead and click on English. Do you like to play in English? Of course I'd like to play in English, mate. Let's click on yes. As you guys can see right here, Pokemon Quest has successfully started on the DamonSwitch Emulator. And I'm pretty sure that few games like Let's Go Pikachu will work if I change the settings a little bit. But other than that, yeah bro. That's about it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out the gameplay test on this emulator. And I'd recommend you guys not to spend even a penny on this emulator for now. Okay? That's my opinion. You can do whatever you want with that. At least I am unable to see any graphical glitches. But anyway, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.